welcome back to Science Made Simple. I'm Dr. Boyd the Chemist. In a previous post, I expressed my excitement in the fact that I saw the rare and elusive Puerto Rican parrot. At the end of that post, I also mentioned that despite their abundance, I'd never seen the elusive Coqui frog. Well, I'm excited to announce that on a recent visit to La Isla del Encanto, I finally saw one, and I've got the footage to prove it. But before I show you the footage, what's so cool about the Coqui frog anyway? The Coqui frog is native to the island of Puerto Rico, as well as Puerto Rico's islands Culebra and Vieques. It is an iconic symbol of the island, appearing in ads, promotions, and Puerto Rican paraphernalia. The Coqui gets its name from the song that the male Coqui frogs sing. Coqui, Coqui. The co part of their call is the males repelling other males from the territory, while the key part of their call attracts the females. It sounds something like this. If you're ever on the island, every night there is a loud chorus of tens of thousands of Coquis singing. In my experience, this beautiful chorus is the loudest just after it rains. While most Puerto Rican people find solace in the nightly singing of the Coqui, tourists often find it to be a nuisance. Similarly, for folks in places like Southern California, Florida, Hawaii, and the country of Colombia, all places where the Coqui has been introduced as an invasive species, the Coqui song is often unwelcome. Well, on my recent trip to PR, I was staying in a place where I could hear many Coqui, but I knew that there are very few places that they could be hiding. So I was determined to keep looking for them until I actually saw them. Here's some footage I captured of me actually seeing the Coqui frog when I was out looking for them with my brother-in-law. There he is. On the pole right there. You see him?
Oh yeah.
That's my little Coqui frog.
We found it.
Finally saw one. Isn't that crazy?
Oh yeah, that's definitely a Coqui. 100%. 110%. That's a Coqui. With his beady eyes.
Look at him. Man, it's only been 16 years. Finally saw one. That's crazy.
You found him.
Yeah, little Coqui. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
That's cool. So now I've seen the Puerto Rican parrots and a Coqui frog. Maybe next time I'll post about the wild horses I saw on the island of Vieques.